I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure geometry is clean and transforms are applied, because maps follow object scale. Open the shader editor and add an image texture node, then load the map you want to use. Once done, assign the model's UV map in the object data and connect the image texture to the material slot you need. Base color for color, roughness for gloss control. Make sure the material is active so previews show live feedback. This prevents surprises later. Now you combine multiple maps and manage data types, because color maps differ from scalar maps. Use mix RGB or math nodes to layer textures, set blend modes to multiply for dirt, add for emissive effects. Always set non-color data maps to non-color in the image texture node. This preserves numeric precision for roughness, metallic, and bump. For normals, add a normal map node and plug in the normal image. For height maps, route through a bump node, finish by validating renders in both viewport and final render, because differences can hide errors. Bake maps when consolidating layers, select the proper bake type, increase margin to fix edge bleeding, and verify the target image resolution. If shading looks off, inspect the normal map orientation and flip the Y channel if necessary, and re-unwrap UVs around visible seams. If you still see artifacts, recheck image texture color space settings. Make sure data maps use non-color, which often resolves subtle lighting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.